Hey everyone, it's Zach. I've got great news for you all. I've prepared a unique strategy that gives results even for beginners in trading. You can start with any amount, even the smallest. Want to see the results? Well, let's watch this video till the end and find out. As you can see, I've already opened the platform. Today I suggest we start with small amounts. Let's quickly go through the settings and get straight to the main part. Choosing the starting amount. If you're just starting out, I recommend not taking big risks and starting with something small. That's how I usually test strategies, and it's my advice to you. The main settings are as usual by default. Now the most interesting part, our main players. I'll take this pair and this one, these guys and this. All with a maximum percentage 92. Now let's move to the first pair and add the indicators, MACD and stochastic. Perfect. A combination of top-notch indicators. Why? I'll explain clearly and in detail closer to the end of the session, once you've seen them in action. Main settings for MACD. Okay, 15 here, 27 and signal period 10. Let's make it neat, make the lines thicker and brighter so nothing blends in and everything is clearly visible. Next, let's set up stochastic. Make all the lines thicker and choose brighter colors for the main lines, so we can see them clearly. Guys, if you want to understand why I choose these specific settings, welcome to my Telegram channel. I share a lot of useful information in simple, accessible language. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to DM me on Telegram, and I'll help you out. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. First pair. The chart shows sluggish movements. It's obvious that a peak has formed on the pair, so I'll go down. Now we watch a slow downward trend, and both indicators confirm my prediction. All right, the candle closed almost right at the entry point. That's the danger of trading in a sluggish market. Still, I ended up with significant rewards. Why? Because I work with the ideal trading format. The key is to accurately predict the movement within a specific time. That's exactly what I did. This is what smart trading looks like. For me, it constantly provides opportunities to improve my life and fulfill my desires. And even better, to help others. I share my experiences, like helping my followers develop their trading skills, on my Telegram channel. There are already 5,000 members. In just the last 2 days, I've made 38,000, and my followers who copy my moves get the same results. How do we do it? I post real-time trading notifications daily. This means every member of my channel can copy my moves and get the same awesome results. And guess what? Subscribing to my channel is completely free right now. There is no time to waste. Subscribe now. The link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Next pair up. I'll change the value here and go for an upward move. I entered after a strong bearish impulse, and it's clear that a rebound was due. Plus, the stochastic lines are indicating this. I prefer this kind of closing. It's great to end on a high note. Let's keep going. Next up, the Australian and American team, increasing the amount and investing downward. The asset reached its peak and then the trend reversed. Stochastic indicators also started dropping sharply, indicating a continuation of the downtrend. Recently, I discussed a similar market situation with my Telegram subscribers, and they already know to pay close attention to how the chart moves around the resistance zone and what the stochastic indicators signals, whether there's a still bull support or not. Once again, this session brings results. That's awesome. Onward! So, the Australian and Canadian team is showing a very ambiguous position on the chart. So, I'll skip it and move straight to the next pair. Looking at the chart to access this situation, and here we're only moving up. So the stochastic almost touched the 30 mark. Plus, there was a serious bearish drop, so it's logical to expect a rebound. By the way, I teach how to see and recognize patterns on the chart on my Telegram channel. The more you study theory and trade, the better you'll get at spotting these patterns. To work safely and effectively, you can join my daily live trading sessions. I'll tell you exactly when to enter, on which currency pair, and you'll choose the amount yourself. Be it 1 or 100, I trade and we get the same results. It's completely free for now, isn't it cool? So click the link in the description under the video and the first pinned comment. And DM me that you are now with us, traders. See you on Telegram. Meanwhile, the candle has closed and I'm happy again. Fantastic! Our favorite team again. I'm going down here because it was clear that a sharp drop would follow. Firstly, a strong and powerful bullish impulse continued for a long time without rebounds. Secondly, the stochastic lines were moving sideways while the candle was rising. So, what's happening on the chart now is absolutely expected. The result of a solid technical analysis led to such a pleasant outcome. Next step. I'm back with the Australian and the American. It's clear I'm going down here. The bulls tried to break resistance level for the second time, but they failed. And now the bears have taken over. You can see it in the sharp drop and the decline in MACD indicators. Another solid close. Moments like this remind me how awesome it is that I got into trading. Now I'm on the next pair, assessing the situation, hoping the activity will pick up. What's happening right now? The buyers couldn't break the resistance level, but they haven't fully handed over to the sellers either. The indicators show the bulls are losing their strength. So I'm expecting a drop. My prediction was right again. Even though the candle closed near the entry point, the main thing on this platform is predicting the movement correctly. The thing is, we got returns not only the difference between buying and selling prices, but if we make the right call on the market's direction, up or down. I made the right call. Okay, let's move to the final pair. Alright, I see a strong bullish rebound on the next team, but it's temporary. The bears will respond and drive it back down. It feels great to be right again. Today's session was pretty solid and a great demonstration of how successful this strategy is. Use it, trade, and achieve great results. I'm sure you've realized that the most reliable way for beginner traders to trade is by joining my open online trading sessions. Everyone can see all the information on my Telegram channel, which currency pairs I'm trading and exactly when I enter trades. This means that everyone who traded with me yesterday achieved the same results as I did. Not bad, right? Want to be one of us? Join my 5,000 strong community where everyone gets over 1,000 per session every day. For many of my subscribers, this result has helped them to improve their living conditions, pay for their education, help their parents, and achieve their dreams. I'm always impressed and inspired by their successes. Anyone can join us. You only need to do two things. First, subscribe to my Telegram channel through the link in the description. Second, send me a direct message. Become part of a big trading family. Follow my steps to get results similar to mine. Be sure to text me. That's all. Bye-bye.